Family, did you see it? Parliament turned theater today? And Juliet Holness played lead role as the silencer of democracy. PNP rise to move a no-confidence motion, and before the words even settle in the mic, boom, gavel drop, motion dead. But hear me now, when one family control Parliament, freedom on life support. In the Great Hall of Gordon House, democracy went missing in action. The opposition stood up, firm, ready, representing thousands of Jamaicans who tired of corruption, tired of spin, tired of the Prime Minister dodging accountability. But before the motion of no confidence could even breathe, the Speaker, Juliet Holness herself, cut them off. The gavel fell harder than justice ever did in that room. "Motion denied," she barked, like democracy was her personal pet. The PNP benches stood up, faces firm, hearts blazing. They looked around that chamber and realized this was no longer the House of Representatives. It had become the House of Holness. And so, in protest, the PNP walked out with dignity, walked out with purpose, walked out because staying silent in the face of disrespect is betrayal to the people who sent them there. But here's the real kicker. Juliet Holness didn't just silence emotion, she silenced the people's voice. Because that no-confidence motion wasn't about personal pride, it was about accountability, integrity, and leadership that has failed Jamaica time and time again. No speaker should act like she's guarding her husband's reputation instead of guarding the Constitution. Juliet, you never restore order. You reveal the disorder that's running this country. When you protect corruption instead of democracy, you're not a speaker, you an enabler. You didn't stop chaos. You proved why Jamaica crying out for real change. The walkout wasn't weakness. It was warfare without weapons. Because when the gavel becomes a shield for corruption, walking out is the only way left to speak up. You've been watching Michy Dex commentary, where truth louder than any gavel. Drop your thoughts below. Do you think Juliet Holness abused her position? Like, share, and subscribe, because the people's voice can't be muted.